guys, I'm Aditya Anshu Bharadwaj. Welcome to Fly on Dreams. So Black Lives Matter, right? Yeah, Black Lives Matter. Obviously, they do matter. But to realize this, one person died. Or to be more true, one person killed. Or to be more true, one person brutally killed because he was black. Let's talk about racism. Let's go to the Oxford Dictionary and check what racism means. According to Oxford Dictionary, racism means discrimination based on a belief that our race is superior. This is known as racism. That discrimination that is based on a belief. You know what the actual problem is? Racism is not a problem. A problem cannot be outside of your perspective. A problem is always inside of your perspective. I'm not saying that problem are humans. I'm not saying that. Problem is inside of your perspective. So racism is not the problem. Racism is a product. And that brutal killings, those mass killings, those are the byproduct of racism. So what is the problem? Problem is a belief. Problem is that fundamental belief that yes, our race is superior. Why does all killings happen of Jews? Why do we hate Adolf Hitler? Because he killed so many Jews. What was his belief? His belief was Aryan race is superior. So that's the belief. That's what is known as racism. And it can only be end only when we change our belief. And we don't need to make a drastic change in our belief. We just need to understand one thing. Just one thing. What is that? Treat humans as humans. That's it. That's it. That's enough. That's enough treatment for the racism to end. Treat humans as humans. This is the first point I'm going to share. Treat everyone the way humanity deserves. Not the way that person deserves, but the way humanity deserves. Everyone should be treated that way. Second thing, I don't think anything will happen if you just blacken your DP or just post a black pic supporting Black Lives Matter. I don't think anything will happen. That may occur for 3-4 days, a week, a month. After that, same thing will start to happen. Isn't it? It has happened before, it will happen again. Because racism is not the problem. The problem is the belief. जब तक ये belief रहेगा, racism खत्म नहीं होने वाली. क्योंकि racism problem है ही नहीं. हमें problem खत्म करनी है, ना कि product खत्म करना है. Second thing, what we can do. Many guys are saying that actresses or actors should be banned because they are doing that beauty commercials. They are dampening the heritage or culture, or maybe the thought. I don't know where does that thought come from, but I don't think that's a practical approach. Why? Because beauty products they aren't doing anything wrong. Beauty products are needed. Why they are needed? Your body needs nourishment. You give it food. Your muscles need nourishment. You go to gym. Your hair needs nourishment. You oil it. You nourish it by shampoo. You nourish it by conditioner. Same way, your skin. It needs nurture. How do you nourish your skin? By applying some beauty creams. So that's the reason they are there. Not because they are not there because they have to make a black person white. You can't do that. Yeah, I may agree that the content of the commercials are vague. I agree that yeah, they are not presented in the way they need to be presented, they should be presented. I agree to that. But to become an extremist and say that no, the beauty product should be banned, this is not the approach. If you have any problem with those commercials, go to the company's website and write down there. Don't bully the actors or actresses. Please, they are doing it for the money and yeah, obviously, and for the fame as well. So second thing is that. Third thing, what we can do. We don't need to label them. We don't need to label that you are fat, you are ugly, you are black, you are white, you are Asian, you are African, you are fat, you are thin, you are tall, you are short, you are a Hindu, you are a Muslim. Don't label them. Why do you need to label people? Why do you need to label it that way? Can't you see just humans as humans? Why do we need to solidify our ego every time? Why do we need to solidify the belief that we are superior every time? Just why? I don't understand it. हमारे लिए अपने अहंकार की तुष्टि इतनी आवश्यक क्यों है कि हम स्वयं से पड़े किसी भी सत्ता पर, एंटिटी मीन्स सत्ता, किसी भी सत्ता को स्वीकार करना ही आवश्यक नहीं समझते हैं? क्यों? अहम की तुष्टि यानी सॉलिडिफिकेशन ऑफ ईगो. Why it is at all needed? So I have discussed 4 things. First, racism is not the problem. Belief is a problem. Racism is a product. We need to shift from that superiority belief. Second thing, treat humans as humans. Treat everyone the way humanity deserves. Third thing, don't blame the actors or actresses for the beauty commercials. If you have any problem, go to the company website and write it down there. And fourth thing, don't solidify your ego every time. Don't label people. Don't label people that yeah, you are this way, yeah, you are that way. Don't. Just don't. And the last thing I'll say, Black Lives Matter. Obviously, Black Lives Matter. Obviously, they matter. But every life matter. Every form of life matter. Not only black, but every form. Be it black, be it white, be it Asian, be it African, be it tall, be it short, be it fat, be it ugly, be it handsome. Every single life matter. Be it Hindu, be it Muslim, be it minority, be it majority. Every single life matter. Yeah, I'm a bit angry because the things are not happening the way they should happen. So, if you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment your views on it if you feel the same. Or even if you don't feel the same, comment box is yours. Just fill it with your comments. And subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the videos. And fifth, share the video so that if you know someone who needs to listen to this, if you know someone who needs to know all this, or if you know someone who just share the same thought as I do, share it to them. Share the videos as much as you can. Thank you, and I'll be back soon.